Hi, thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time, I hope you enjoy other video that has to do with mom life, cooking, mainly Congolese food. But today I have something different. Don't you like when you get up in the morning you have a clean kitchen? Wow, I used to struggle with that, but I have a couple things that help me at night to get a clean kitchen in the morning. So I'll show you what I usually do. That takes about 20 minutes. Let's get started. So I start cleaning the stove top. Usually I just spray it before I clean it. And this time I'm just using the oven cleaner. It works wonders as I start loading the dishwasher. Mainly just cleaning everything off of the countertops and either putting them in the dishwasher or washing them on the spot. And I like doing this almost every night. It helps me wake up to a clean kitchen in the morning so I can just make my coffee and lunch for work or breakfast and get it ready like that. It helps me out big time. I usually put everything in the dishwasher except knives and pans and pots. I just usually clean them by hand and just leave them in a sink overnight. Just another way of drying them. I like listening to either a podcast or watching some of my favorite YouTube. It usually takes me about 20 minutes to do all this, so while I do that, the music, and most of the time I do this is at night, so I don't like loud stuff to wake everybody up. So while getting done putting the dishes into the dishwasher, I'm gonna go back and start cleaning the stovetop. And the stove, I don't like to put so much chemical on it, so I just do the basic. And mainly at night, if I'm just doing this, I use water and dish soap to clean. And I'm using microfiber cloths. They work wonders on these countertops or stove. Washing my kettle. I use this like a lot throughout the day for teas or just warming up or boiling water. Now that everything is in the dishwasher, well, mainly everything, let's clean down the countertops and my cabinets. I'm cleaning the cabinet down over there because I use that a lot, and the drawers, and that's where we have all the knives, spoons, all the utensils, and I usually stand there most of the time. There's a place that I use a lot in the house. That and the island. It's mostly where we like to put all the junk that we can see, but I like to clean it more often. There's my favorite cup or a cup of coffee. So now cleaning pots and pans and knives because I don't put them in a dishwasher. And for the pots and pans, I like to, after I wash them, rinse them, I just leave them in a sink on the other side after I clean the sink. That way they can just the water can just drip and they'll be dry. And in the morning, I would just put them in the cabinet. So what your routines, what do you like to do that will help you in the morning? Mothers or non-mothers, just to help you out. Comment in the comment section and let me know what you like to do to get your stuff ready for the morning. So now I got rinse everything. Now I'm going to start cleaning the sink. And that's usually the last thing I do because I have to put the clean pots and pans on the other side. On one side, mainly I use one side. I was looking for this sink. There's these little things that I use to put in the sink, either in a sink or in a dishwasher or in a washer. They help with stains and it smells good afterward. And this is the main place that I usually like scrub down. The other places I don't, just cleaning, but this one I usually have to scrub it a little bit more. So now let's put the pots and pans on that side, and we're getting ready to run the dishwasher. And when I'm done with all this, I'll put the microfiber washcloth in the washer. Wow, so this is a typical night after dinner. Usually dinner, fufu, and the stove is usually messy. So this is what I usually do. And now I'm ready to run the dishwasher. And let me know, thank you for watching. Let me know what you usually do, what's your routine in the evening that will help you to wake up into a clean kitchen. Thank you for watching. Next time.